Hello, everyone, and welcome back to a motivating episode of Candy English. This is Ava, your host, guiding you through today's shadowing practice. We are focusing on talking about exercise and fitness, an inspiring topic for describing your physical activities, routines, and health goals in natural English. Discussing exercise and fitness is valuable for conversations about well-being, motivation, or sharing tips with others. This session is flexible for your lifestyle. Practice during a workout, on a walk, after exercise, or in a quiet moment. Shadowing is effective and enjoyable. Listen to my voice and repeat each phrase simultaneously. Match my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation where feasible. Errors are part of learning. Emphasize building confidence and smooth flow. Let us begin. I exercise regularly every week. I exercise regularly every week. Physical activity keeps me healthy. Physical activity keeps me healthy. Fitness improves my energy levels. Fitness improves my energy levels. Consistency is the key. Consistency is the key. I go to the gym 3 times. I go to the gym 3 times. Weight training builds strength. Weight training builds strength. Cardio machines increase endurance. Cardio machines increase endurance. Treadmill running warms me up. Treadmill running warms me up. Yoga helps with flexibility. Yoga helps with flexibility. Stretching poses relax muscles. Stretching poses relax muscles. Breathing deeply calms the mind. Breathing deeply calms the mind. Classes guide proper form. Classes guide proper form. Running outdoors feels refreshing. Running outdoors feels refreshing. Fresh air motivates longer distances. Fresh air motivates longer distances. Parks offer scenic routes. Parks offer scenic routes. Jogging pace suits beginners. Jogging pace suits beginners. Cycling is low-impact exercise. Cycling is low-impact exercise. Water supports the body gently. Water supports the body gently. Laps improve cardiovascular health. Laps improve cardiovascular health. Pools are available year-round. Pools are available year-round. Cycling strengthens legs effectively. Cycling strengthens legs effectively. Bike rides explore new areas. Bike rides explore new areas. Stationary bikes for indoor sessions. Stationary bikes for indoor sessions. Helmets ensure safety always. Helmets ensure safety always. Walking counts as exercise too. Walking counts as exercise too. Brisk steps add up quickly. Brisk steps add up quickly. Daily goals like 10,000. Daily goals like 10,000. Simple and accessible anywhere. Simple and accessible anywhere. Home workouts save time. Home workouts save time. Body weight exercises require no equipment. Body weight exercises require no equipment. Push-ups and squats build muscle. Push-ups and squats build muscle. Videos guide routines online. Videos guide routines online. Stretching prevents injuries. Stretching prevents injuries. Warm up before starting. Warm up before starting. Cool down afterward essential. Cool down afterward essential. Flexibility increases gradually. Flexibility increases gradually. Hydration during exercise matters. Hydration during exercise matters. Water bottle always nearby. Water bottle always nearby. Electrolytes for longer sessions. Electrolytes for longer sessions. Listening to body signals. Listening to body signals. Rest days allow recovery. Rest days allow recovery. Muscles repair and grow. Muscles repair and grow. Overtraining leads to fatigue. Overtraining leads to fatigue. Balance prevents burnout. Balance prevents burnout. Motivation comes from goals. Motivation comes from goals. Tracking progress in apps. Tracking progress in apps. Small achievements celebrated. Small achievements celebrated. Partners make it enjoyable. Partners make it enjoyable. Fitness trackers monitor steps. Fitness trackers monitor steps. Heart rate and calories burned. Heart rate and calories burned. Data encourages improvement. Data encourages improvement. Technology supports habits. Technology supports habits. Nutrition complements exercise. Nutrition complements exercise. Protein for muscle repair. Protein for muscle repair. Carbs for sustained energy. Carbs for sustained energy. Healthy fats included. Healthy fats included. Sleep aids fitness results. Sleep aids fitness results. Recovery happens overnight. Recovery happens overnight. 7 to 9 hours ideal. 7 to 9 hours ideal. Routine establishes better patterns. Routine establishes better patterns. Challenges like time constraints. Challenges like time constraints. Short sessions still effective. Short sessions still effective. Morning workouts energize days. Morning workouts energize days. Evening ones relieve stress. Evening ones relieve stress. Group classes build community. Group classes build community. Zumba or aerobics fun. Zumba or aerobics fun. Instructors motivate participants. Instructors motivate participants. Social aspect sustains interest. Social aspect sustains interest. Outdoor activities vary seasons. Outdoor activities vary seasons. Hiking in nature trails. Hiking in nature trails. Winter sports when possible. Winter sports when possible. Adaptation keeps it fresh. Adaptation keeps it fresh. Benefits extend beyond physical. Benefits extend beyond physical. Mental clarity and mood boost. Mental clarity and mood boost. Confidence from accomplishments. Confidence from accomplishments. Long-term health investment. Long-term health investment. Describing routines uses frequency words. Describing routines uses frequency words. Daily, weekly, occasionally, regularly. Daily, weekly, occasionally, regularly. Details enrich explanations. Details enrich explanations. Vocabulary develops naturally. Vocabulary develops naturally. Shadowing refines expressive speech. Shadowing refines expressive speech. Repetition fosters automatic recall. Repetition fosters automatic recall. Persistent practice yields mastery. Persistent practice yields mastery. Outstanding commitment today, everyone. This shadowing session on exercise and fitness is now complete. You can now discuss your physical activities more fluently in English. Integrate these phrases into conversations. Return soon for more topics on Candy English. This is Ava. Thank you for your participation. Stay active, prioritize fitness, and continue progressing. Until next time.